So for our pantry we have one of these elbow latches. I always called it a hidden latch for like cabinets and stuff or dressers. Well, we had one and it broke. But it was a cheaper one. I picked this up in Loveland, Colorado, and it's worked for quite some time. I've had to adjust a little bit, but it is a cheaper one, I guess, because it's just thin metal. So today I'm going to replace it. When I have the door shut, it doesn't shut all the way. Either the wood is warped, or more likely what's wrong is that side over there is not parallel or even with this side over here. It's hard to make things plumb in a RV when it's hard to get the RV plumb. So everything may be plumb and level at one time, but when I go to move it, it's no longer plumb and level. So that's what my next project is. I'll go ahead and replace that latch with a new one. Alright, well here's the old latch. It was just made of thin metal. And it worked great for what we were using it for. We had it, like I said, we bought it in Loveland in 2013. There's supposed to be a little flap on there that just ended up finally breaking off. Every once in a while, since the kids would pull on the bottom, it would bend a little bit. So I mean, it worked. Like I said, it worked great for what we used it for. We used it for about 2 years. It just finally failed right there in that end there. But here's what it looks like now. There's the new one, and there's the new latch. And that little gap there is acceptable enough for me. So there we go. Thanks for watching.
Charlie.